Huh? Can you say it?
Hey guys, we're in Pensacola, Florida at Sandy Sansing BMW. Very nice cars, very nice people. Amabella's getting a new Mazda. A Mazda 50. What is this? CX-50.
50.
Blue. Maganda blue.
I got the dark blue. I try a little bigger because I always use car. So now I try. Oh, diba? I upgrade my skills driving a big car.
And tell her to come see Louisa at Sandy Sansing BMW.
All
Come
right.
see Louisa at Sandy Sansing BMW,
Uh-huh.
Pensacola, Florida. Louisa will be out soon.
She is very nice person. So this is my car. I tried also a Mazda. I never try a Mazda car. So hope my new baby or the new member of the family is good. Behaving until until few years, many years. And that's Louisa. She's the one who helping
Promote
us.
yourself.
No,
It's your
thank you.
time.
She is a shy lady. Anyway, so that's my car. That's the new member of our family. Hey.
We gotta go do business now.
Okay, sorry, I gotta go. Bye.